Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for Grade 2. We are learning Unit 3. It's a beautiful poem with title, It's Sports Day. Today's lecture 7 under Read and Think title, we learn to point out specific information in our calendar, page number 26 and 27 of your book. Before this, in your previous class, English for Grade 1, I have taught you the same thing to read a calendar. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this video again. And today we'll cover the same SLO, that is to point out specific information in a calendar like names of the month and days of the week by using sight reading strategies. This is our today's SLO. And now you tell me, how many days are there in a week? Do you know how many days are there in a week? Yes, there are 7 days in a week. And can you name all the days of the week? Do you remember all the names of the days of a week? Okay, let's do it again. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And what comes after Saturday? You know, starting from Sunday till Saturday, there are altogether 7 days which make a week. 7 days together make a week. And what comes after Saturday? Again, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. It's the second week. And this system goes on. Now, I want, my dear children, who is running this system? Who is running? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And Allah says in Surah Ar-Rahman, verse 5, the sun and the moon are bound by a fixed calculation. Okay, when sun rises, it's day. Once sun sets, the day ends. Who is running this system? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And all the system is calculated, right? And this is since very first day when we were not there, and it will remain till the last day. This is what Allah's system is, subhanallah. So now you tell me, how many months are there in a year? How many months are there in a year? Yes, there are 12. And can you name all the months of the year? Do you know their names? I know you know. Now let's say with me, because here I want to tell you, my dear fellow teachers, along with this video lecture, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, worksheet links are given in description box. You may click it, you may download it, you may print it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience. The way I'm teaching I taught the days of the week, and the way I'm going to teach names of the month, I'm applying sight reading strategies like just I will show and students will say it. Okay, and if you can do it in the same manner, that's fine. Otherwise, you may take a table calendar, you may flip the month's name, and children will say it by looking at the calendar. So this is the way I'm going to apply sight reading strategy to name the months. Okay, my children, are you ready with me? Yes, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. What comes after December? Again, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. This is how months go on and makes our year. Then year ends and the next year starts. And how do we read our calendar? It's mentioned in your book, and I'm going to explain it to you. These are the names of the days: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And these are the days of the month. It is first of the month, second of this month, and which month is this? November. So it's 1st November, is 2nd November, 3rd November, and so on. Here, my students, I am going to tell you a counting method. On your knuckles, you see the month name which comes on this knuckle is of 31 days, and if it comes down where there is little low, it is less than 30 days. Okay, now see, January is coming here, it's 31 days. February, it's coming here, it's less than 31. March, April, May, you may tally it with calendar. Okay, so this is how we used to in our childhood. January, February, March, April. If you want to find out how many days are there in this specific month, so you will count it on your knuckles and find out. If it comes on this knuckle, like where there is a bone, you can feel it's 31 days, and if it comes lower than this, it is less than 31 days, right? Isn't it interesting? Okay, now why we are learning all these things? Because whenever you want to find a specific information on a calendar, for example, I am going to show you a scenario. Amna's birthday is on the 4th day of the 3rd week of the 7th month. Now we need 3 informations. The month is there, week is there, and day is there. So how we locate the specific date on calendar? The calendar is in front of you. It is there in your book, page number 26. The first thing is we will come from higher to lower order. Like it's 7th month. So which is 7th month? Let's find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 7th month. Which month is this? It's July. 7th month is July. Okay. It's saying 3rd week. So which is 3rd week? This is week 1, week 2, week 3. 3rd week, and it's saying 4th day of 3rd week. 3rd week, 4th day. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 4th day of 7th month, 3rd week. So Amna's birthday is on 14th of July. You got it? How we locate a specific date on a calendar. Again, teachers, it is sight reading strategies are always ongoing. It's an ongoing activity. We will display a calendar in classroom of the current year when you are teaching this topic, and the same strategy you will apply. Initially, you will do it more frequently, maybe on daily basis, then alternate days, then twice a week, once fortnightly, and ultimately children will be able to locate the specific dates by themselves without any assistance, inshallah. Right, my dear children, now there is an other scenario. Hamza is going to Islamabad with his parents on the 7th day of 4th week of the 1st month. 1st month, 4th week, 7th day. Let's see what is the date. Again, calendar is in front of you. 1st month is January. January is here. 4th week, it is week 1, week 2, week 3, and week 4. And which date? 4th week, 7th day. Now count 7th day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So Hamza is going on 23rd of January. He is going to Islamabad. And they will be going for 3 days. Now they will remain there for 3 days and will come back on the 4th day. What is the date? Now he went to Islamabad on 23rd of January. He will stay there for 3 days. So what 3 days mean? 1, 2, 3. On 4th day he will be back. So he will be back on 27th of January. You got how we find out information from a calendar. Are you getting it? Good job. So beta, it's time for practice. You have to practice and enjoy this activity to yourself. Give different dates and find out on calendar. Make it a group activity and do it on individual level as well. So I'm going to give you its question answers. Okay. here on page number 27, questions are given. Yes, my dear teachers, it's orally. You may ask the students these questions. Pause the video, ask the student to point these information, these questions on calendar. Pause the video and make sure they are getting it and they are doing it themselves. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. Next is your homework time. What you will do, write the dates of birth in your notebook of every person at your home. So you will write date of birth of your family members and show it to your teacher tomorrow. I'm going to give you a worksheet. Again, dear fellow teachers, along with this video lecture, in description box, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, and this worksheet link is given. You may click it, download it, print it, and give a printed worksheet to my children for practice. And students, what you will do? Use the calendar to answer these questions. This calendar is in front of you. These questions are there. You may write their answers over here in the space given. So in this way, what we have learned today, we learned the days of the week and names of the month of a year. We learned to read a calendar, and we pointed out different dates in a calendar using sight reading strategies. And one thing more, we planned to make it ongoing activity, and we'll keep on doing till the time we are done with it. All right. So in this way, we achieved our today's SLO, that is to point out specific information in a calendar like names of the month and days of the week using sight reading strategies. Are we done with it? Yes. That's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep practicing. Take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.